What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. I want to talk to you guys about something I came across the other day, and it really bothered me. So, this is some information that I knew, but then I read it on the back of a black seed oil bottle, and it really hit home, and it just pissed me off. It bothered me, and I think it's something that if you guys are not aware of, you should definitely know about it. I was reading this bottle of black seed oil the other day, and it said, and I want you guys to really listen, it said the FDA does not allow us to describe the many benefits of the Ethiopian black seed oil without registering it as a drug. Think about that for a second. So I can't put, now, if I was producing my own black seed oil, I can't put the known benefits of what it does unless I get it classified as a drug. So you're telling me that this is a seed. It is a seed from a plant. It is a natural growing thing on earth that comes out of the ground. Natural things, food, plants, seeds, water, these things are not drugs. If something helps you and it benefits you, it's not a drug. Okay, drugs are man-made. Drugs are made in a laboratory. Drugs involve chemicals and all types of unnatural things. So you're telling me that I can't tell you officially on a bottle of black seed oil all of the things that it's known to do, all of the natural health benefits. I can't list it because I have to get it classified as a drug. So if it's not a drug, then I can't tell you what it does to help you, how it benefits your health if it's not a drug. So I can't tell you this natural occurring thing or this food or this seed or this natural oil that is not a drug. I can't list the benefits of it because I have to get it classified as a drug. So you're telling me, do you have any idea how much we're being just not exposed to things and we're limited to things? We all know that the pharmaceutical industry, all these drugs, they has all these side effects. So all these unnatural things in them, and a lot of times it does more harm than good. Even when it does do you good, it's doing you harm because it has all these other side effects, because it's all these other things that your body, it doesn't need. It's disrupting your body chemistry. You do know that, right? So I looked up a little bit of research, and I did a little bit of research, and I'm gonna do a video on this soon. So I'm not gonna go all the way in because I'm gonna hit you with a lot more facts. But just something that I came across. It takes $1 billion, 1 billion with a B, a billion. It takes $1 billion to bring a product to the market. As far as getting FDA approved, research, all that stuff. It can cost $50 to $40 million to go through the treatment stages of basic research. Basic research is them going through all of the testing, the regulated testing to say, you know, we did it this way, we tested it on this person, that person for this amount of time, and all these things to prove that it works. Now, in some situations, I understand why that's important, because you need a regulatory system to keep things off of the market that are not good, that are not real, that are harmful, and it prevents people from making false claims and putting things out on the market and tricking people, deceiving people, getting people sick and killing people. I understand that. I understand that there's regulations for that. I understand that there needs to be regulations for that. But these regulations, you have to agree, are ridiculously out of control. So if I don't have $1 billion to put into research, I can't prove, or it's not that I can't prove it, but by their standards, I can't prove that it doesn't work. But if I don't have $1 billion to put into marketing, to put into research, I can't list on my product label what it does. So you telling me all of us who take black seed oil, and we've gotten all these millions of benefits, all these testimonial videos I put up of all these real people talking about all the things it does. It helps them from lupus, cancer, just everything you guys know. So these Black Sea oil companies can't list it on their bottles because it's not classified as a drug. So something has to be classified as a drug according to the FDA, according to this country, according to the government, in order for it to work, in order for it to be beneficial, in order for it to be helping us improve our health. Are you kidding me? Most thriving companies don't have $1 billion to put into research. Most thriving companies don't have $40 to $50 million to go through all the testing. So what do you think about the small companies? What do you think about just, are you kidding me? Do you know how much stuff that cuts us off from? Do you know how it brainwashes people? Because the average person who doesn't understand the whole process, they just look at things and say, oh, well, if it's not FDA approved, then it's probably not any good. Do you realize, again, man, I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to just ramble on forever. My mind is blown. And again, I told you, I knew this. But it's different when you read it. I knew this on my own because I've come across it. I was told this from different people, and but when I read that, it just really hit home how serious that is and how twisted and just off that is, how wrong that is. So again, think about all of the things that we're not being exposed to, all the natural things that we're not being exposed to because it's not FDA regulated. Why is something that is a food, something that is a natural occurring thing, why does it have to be listed and classified as a drug in order for us to tell you how it's going to help you? I want you guys to look into that further. As I said, I'm going to do a more in-depth video on the actual facts and get into all the numbers and all that stuff. But I want you guys to really look into it. Don't wait for me. I just wanted I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention and just think. Just think. Think about how misled we are. Think about that. You have to have $1 billion to be able to say, oh, my product does this. It will help you with this. We're not talking about a cure. We're just talking about listing the benefits of what something can do. This is ridiculous. Yo, till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Let's finish this conversation in the comment section. I want to know what you guys think. I want to know how you feel. I want to know what other information you guys have to offer. If you do some research, let's talk about it. Let's create this conversation in the comment section. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support. Definitely hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time something else pops up on the radar. Salute. It's crazy.